Welcome back. It is Flavour Friday and today I am going to be making some Malaysian fried chicken. If you enjoy our videos, then please make sure to subscribe to our School of Wok YouTube channel and click that bell for notifications. So Malaysian styled fried chicken. We are going to be marinating our chicken drumsticks first. The base of the marinade is lots of beautiful, vibrant spices. So I've got some turmeric, some curry powder, and some chili powder, some shallots, some eggs to give it that bind, cornstarch or corn flour, and some coconut milk that will add to the richness of the flavor of that base, and a little bit of lemongrass as well. And then I'm going to add in a really nice pinch of sea salt. So as you can see, our mixture is a really great, vibrant yellow color from that turmeric and that curry powder. Now let's pour it all on. Now, yes, it's vibrant, it looks amazing, but it stains like crazy. So make sure that you've got some gloves. Otherwise you'll have very yellow hands. Now, make sure that you massage this marinade into your chicken. You want to coat it really well. And then we'll let it sit for a couple of hours and make sure that we're really getting all of those flavors soaking into our meat. So I have some coriander leaves here that I am going to very quickly fry until they become super crispy and then season them with some salt. This has a nature of spitting, so please be very, very careful when you come to fry this. I've got my oil on a medium-high heat and stand back. Okay, we're fine. Don't be over dramatic about it. It's okay. Give it a little move around. You want it to keep that lovely green color, so it doesn't need too long at all. And then we're going to season it with our sea salt. Now that our chicken has been marinating, you want to get it back to a room temperature so it's not going in cold and then it'll take that extra bit of time to cook it all the way through. So very carefully into the hot oil. Okay, so we're looking to cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes. I've also popped the oven on so that while I'm doing the rest of them, these guys are keeping nice and warm. And then you're also ensuring that they're cooked right to the bone. I mean, that has got so much beautiful flavors. It's fresh, so delicious. Time for a taste. Ooh. I'm gonna load up a little bowl here. I love having rice with these types of dishes because any of that juice that comes from the chicken is just gonna melt into our rice. That looks like a pretty good meal. Tell me someone who doesn't like fried chicken. Now it's time to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite street food from Malaysia? What really gets you excited? Can't wait to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. The recipe for this is in the link below. And remember, notifications every time we bring out a new video.